Today we're going to do a video on reactivating the run flat indicator on a CLS 500. First thing we're going to do is put the key in ignition, turn to the second position, and we're going to go with the page down till we get to the temperature, and then we're going to go with that down arrow till we get to the run flat indicator activation screen. And on some models you have to press a reset in order for it to give you the option to reset it. So you go over here and press that button, and then it'll give you an option to press plus or minus. Then you go over to the right and you press the plus to reactivate the run flat, and once you press it, there it is.